Money will flow with these simple tips for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Affiliate marketing is actually an easy subject to get your mind around. You just have to remember to keep an open mind and to apply all of the knowledge you learn. This video can help you with tips that you can apply to various areas of your affiliate marketing strategies. If you want to promote your affiliate business, target your specific audience through multiple affiliate sites in your niche. Visitors will appreciate the choice you present them by providing multiple purchase links for closely related products. One way to increase revenue from your affiliate marketing programs is to incorporate them into the email communication that you have with faithful customers. If you send out regular newsletters or special offers via email, include a link to your affiliate's products. This is an unobtrusive way to increase the exposure your affiliates get to your customers and thus your potential profits. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, evaluate the marketing platform of a potential affiliate company before you decide to advertise their products. If the quality of the company's marketing is poor, you will not be likely to receive worthwhile profits from promoting their items. If you are not impressed, your visitors will not be either. If you are attempting to market multiple products after the success of your first campaign in affiliate marketing, you should try to keep the product in relatively the same market. You already know how to promote a product within this market. So remember this analogy: don't go from fixing cars to fixing airplanes. Affiliate marketers would do well to utilize sites like Google Optimizer. With this site, you can easily increase your profits as an affiliate by increasing your subscription base. Not every subscriber is going to become a customer for you, but the more subscribers you have, the more likely you are to turn commissions. There is a lot of work that goes into affiliate marketing. You may want to just sit around and do nothing, but in the beginning there is a lot of work that needs to be done, so be prepared for that. You need a lot of dedication and patience to succeed with affiliate marketing, and don't quit when something doesn't work the first time around. Like any business, make sure you have a plan and strategy in place before getting started. Determine ahead of time what types of work you want to get into and what sort of products you are most excited about promoting. Learn what types of marketing work for the particular products you will be focusing on. Having a developed plan is half the battle to a successful launch. You should feel a little more comfortable with the subject of affiliate marketing, now that you've read a bit. Make sure you apply all of the information you learned in this video, and don't be afraid to re-watch this video, if necessary. The key is to be successful, so you need to do what you think will help you the most. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.